Affiliate marketing can net you some serious cash with these tips. In these hard economic times, everyone could benefit from some extra cash. A fun and easy way to make money from home is affiliate marketing. Well, at least it's easy enough to get started. But if you're thinking about creating a steady income, you need to form a plan. Follow the tips and tricks in this video to help you build a successful affiliate site. If you are operating a web business that is providing local services, then you need to start out seeking local sponsorship and traffic rather than wider exposure. Check out the local Chamber of Commerce and local business directories in order to find great listing opportunities. Nothing is better for your search engine rankings than for people to search for your site by name. When joining an affiliate marketing program, make sure the company that makes the product you're promoting is legitimate. One way to tell the legitimacy of a company is by the terms of their return policy and how well they honor that policy. Being connected with a reputable company will boost your credibility, being connected to a shady company will hurt it. When creating an affiliate marketing program, the best thing you can do to attract and hold on to quality affiliates is to have good communication. If you respond to their issues, and provide good service to them, they feel like a valued part of your company. A valued affiliate will stick around and will give better reviews of your product. If you have a lot of followers on online social networking and microblogging services, then post about your affiliate product and include a link. Only do this if you think the product will be useful to your followers, as too many self-serving posts could cause you to lose your followers. Remember, every follower you have on a social networking site is a potential customer. A bad habit of many affiliate marketers is they try to be super heroic at their job. Generally speaking, they attempt to sell more products than they can effectively promote, and ended dropping the ball on all of them. It is good to note there is no limit when it comes to what can be achieved. The right affiliate program offers unlimited opportunity. Focus on building your content, not just your links. Without a good content strategy, you won't be successful. People aren't coming to your site to find affiliate links, they are coming for your content. Whether that's reviews, previews, or you just talking about your day, that's what they came from. Keep it up to date and keep new content coming. Affiliate programs can become an alternative source of money, all from the comfort of your own home. However, in order to have any kind of success, you need to put in time and effort. The more time and effort you put in, the better the results. If you follow these tips and stick to your program, you will see results. Thousands of other people do, so why can't you? Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.